once again. Welcome to our Tagalog language learning lesson. How are you all? This is Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD, speaking to you over the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, where I am author, writer of 22 books, yes, 22. And two of them are right here in front of you. My number one book, Speak Tagalog, a basic primer, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD. On the left is an English Tagalog version, Christ like Mom and Dad, Maka Diyos Kristo na tatay at nanay. At the bottom is the Tagalog version, written by yours truly, Miss Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSCD MSCD. How are you all? I hope that my video finds you all very well, happy, and safe. And all my videos, all my 22 books, excuse me please, I'm excited. You'll find worldwide at outskirtspress.com, Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Nobles, and all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, bscdmscd.com, juanitagutierrez.com. And so let's go to our lesson for today. You might be eager already. Adjective, pang-uri. Antas, degrees. So these are the 3 degrees of adjectives. Tatlong antas, degrees, ng pang-uri, adjective. Number 1, lantay. Lantay. Base form or positive form. First syllable lan, second syllable tay. Lantay. The second syllable has the accent. Lantay. Base form or positive. Example, beautiful, maganda. Maganda. First syllable ma, second syllable gan, third syllable da. The, excuse me please, third syllable has the accent. Maganda. That's how you pronounce it. When you say the accent is there, that's how you will pronounce maganda. The word, any word that I am pointing at, maganda. Beautiful. So that's lantay, lantay. Base form or positive. That's the first degree or antas ng pang-uri or adjective. Second one, pahambing. Pahambing. Comparative. You compare two things. Pahambing. First syllable pa, second syllable ham, third syllable bing. The third syllable has the accent. Pahambing. Pahambing. Comparative degrees or antas ng pang-uri or adjective. Example, in Tagalog, mas maganda. Mas maganda. More beautiful in English. The third one, degree or antas ng pang-uri or adjective, pasokdol. Pasokdol. Superlative. Superlative in English. First syllable pa, second syllable suk, third syllable dol. Pasokdol. Pasokdol. The accent is in the third syllable, pasokdol. That's superlative in English. Example, pinaka matalino. Pinaka matalino. Most or super intelligent. Let's review. 3 degrees of adjectives. In Tagalog, tatlong antas ng pang-uri. Number 1, una, lantay. 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 Base form or positive. Example, halimbawa, beautiful. Maganda. Maganda. Second degree of the adjective or ikalawang antas ng pang-uri, excuse me please, is pahambing. 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 Comparative. Comparing two things. Mas maganda. Mas maganda. More beautiful. The third degree of adjectives, ikatlong antas ng pang-uri, pasok-dol, pasok-dol, pasok-dol. Superlative in English, superlative. Example, halimbawa, pinaka-matalino, pinaka-matalino, most intelligent or super intelligent. And I hope you learned something today. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. This is Miss Gutierrez. Blessings of Christ, love, and light to us all. The word Christ means unconditional love. Thank you all for watching. See you all again. Also, love and gratitude, blessings to our I am God within my heartbeats, your heartbeats, and all humanity's heartbeats. And love and thanksgiving and gratefulness to my beloved parents, all my brothers and sisters and their own families, and to all my fellow divine beings, my wonderful subscribers, followers, those who are watching my videos, those who like, shares, comments, and subscribe. And please subscribe if you have not already done so, and I appreciate you all deep in my heart. Stay blessed and happy always. Enjoy.